Welcome to Clever Mom. Getting children to embrace vegetables often feels like a daunting challenge, but with a little creativity, it's completely achievable. In this video, we'll explore easy, clever ways to sneak veggies into your kids' favorite meals while ensuring they get the nutrients they need, and you get peace of mind. Let's dive into 5 simple strategies. 1. Spaghetti sauce boost. Everyone loves a classic bowl of spaghetti, and it happens to be the perfect canvas to add hidden vegetables. The trick is to finely chop or puree nutrient-rich veggies like carrots, zucchini, or spinach, and stir them into marinara sauce. Because tomatoes naturally have a robust flavor, you can mask the additional veggies effortlessly. We'll discuss preparation tips to balance flavor and texture so that they blend seamlessly into the dish. By the time the sauce is simmered and served, your kids will be none the wiser, and they'll be eating a healthier version of a favorite dish. 2. Sneaky zucchini muffins. Who doesn't love muffins? The sweet aroma of baked goods easily wins over picky eaters, making muffins an excellent opportunity to hide vegetables. Zucchini is a fantastic choice because it has a neutral flavor and a moist texture. We'll break down how to grate zucchini and seamlessly incorporate it into your batter. You'll learn a simple recipe with a touch of sweetness that masks any veggie taste. These muffins make a perfect breakfast, lunchbox edition, or snack. Bonus, they freeze well so you can prep them in bulk. 3. Veggies for breakfast, green smoothies. Breakfast is another prime time to build healthy habits. A fresh fruit smoothie is a crowd pleaser, and kids will think of it as a one treat. To add vegetables, try blending spinach, kale, or even a bit of avocado with fruits like bananas, strawberries, or pineapple. We'll show you the perfect ratio to ensure the taste stays sweet and refreshing while the veggies remain practically invisible. Even if the smoothie turns out a vibrant green, it's a great way to teach younger children to associate nutritious food with positive and tasty experiences. Using a food processor, sauté cauliflower rice lightly as a side, or incorporate it directly into recipes like fried rice. Fun tip: use soy sauce or seasonings generously. They enhance the flavor and camouflage the cauliflower's taste. 5. Sweet potato fries, a healthy classic. French fries are an undeniable favorite for most kids, but traditional fries lack nutrients and are often loaded with unhealthy fats. Sweet potato fries, on the other hand, are a healthier alternative. The natural sweetness of sweet potatoes appeals to kids' palates while providing a good dose of fiber, vitamins A and C, and potassium. We'll break down a simple recipe. Slice sweet potatoes into thin strips, coat them with olive oil and seasonings, and bake them until golden. This is a nutritious side dish or snack that your kids will devour without hesitation. In summary, sneaking vegetables into familiar meals is not just about trickery. It's a path to building healthier habits over time. By gradually introducing your kids to the taste and texture of vegetables in a subtle way, they'll grow more accustomed to their presence in food. In the long run, they'll begin to develop a palate that enjoys these nutritious ingredients naturally. To wrap up, consider this. What new veggie-packed recipe will you try this week? Start with just one idea from this video and see how your family responds. Your kids' health will thank you, and you'll thank yourself for making mealtimes less of a struggle. A small change today can lead to a lifetime of healthier eating habits. So, are you ready to become a veggie ninja? Let us know in the comments which tip you'll try. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more family-friendly food tips.